Greetings. We are the students of Mount Abu Public School representing the theme Vocal for Local. I am Soham.
I am Vihan. I am Hemsh Goyal.
I am Idan.
So we will be representing green architecture under the Vocal for Local scheme. So here Vihan is going to explain our first project.
So, I am Vihan. I am going to explain our Tinkercad project on the topic green architecture. So here we have created an automatic irrigation system that can detect whether the soil moisture level is below 40% or not. When we start simulating it, a screen appears that shows that the soil moisture percent is 100% and the solar panel gives us 5 watt of power that runs all of this system. And here I go. Here when the soil moisture is below 40%, it is 20% now. So a buzzer is beeping and the light is on, indicating that it is below and we have to irrigate it now. In our advanced models, we will implement the system of automatic irrigation that will automatically water the plants when the percentage of moisture is below than 40%. Now Vidanur will explain his left side.
So I am Soham and I will explain the second project which is on Blender. So this is a 3D model of housing in which we have made 3D structures of houses which are made from ecological materials which do not harm the environment and are sustainable. So here these buildings are equipped with solar panels which harness the solar energy of the sun, and there is one water purification system that will purify the water from the water source, and vice versa. It will clean the water from the buildings which is polluted into clean water which can be released in the stream. And this third model here shows the geothermal energy extraction, in which we extract the energy from the core of the earth and use it as a sustainable source of energy. And our third project here is a website on which we can connect buyers and sellers in the local community, in which in this they can explore for green solutions. They have economic benefits, in which the basic model of this website is that it connects the buyer and the consumer in a local area so that we do not have to approach to other regions. It enhances the local economic production of a particular region, as well as enhances the GDP of the place.
It promotes productivity through connecting sellers and buyers, and then it promotes local products which are not buyable.